Hey, what's fine guys, I'm Max and this is Maximum Drone, and today we're in a specific location that my special guest suggested. Who's that guest?
Hello.
That's my twin brother, Mathieu. And thanks for Matt. We drove right here in the middle of the woods, far north of Quebec. Not that far, I would say 20 minutes, 30 minutes drive up north of Quebec City to this beautiful place called Tewkesbury.
Oh, it's pretty alright. So long.
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah, as you can see, the colors are there. So let's make the best of it. We're gonna fly my DJI Air 2S. It's on the ground, you don't see it. But before we do, you know what to do. If you like this kind of content, there's something there, there's something there, there's some little bell. Thank you very much. So let's fly. Well, that's all the shots I filmed today in Tewkesbury, north of Quebec City. I hope you like those. And see you in the next one. Fly safe, guys.